Welcome to Learn Cantonese with Talkademy. This is your host Jasmine, and today we're learning different ways to tell time. It's 3 o'clock right now. 而家3點. 而家3點. It's 2:30. 而家2點半. 而家2點半. It's 4:15. 而家4點15分. 而家4點15分. It's 6:45. 而家6點45分. 而家6點45分. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. 朝頭早7點. 朝頭早7點. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. 晏晝3點. 晏晝3點. It's 8 o'clock in the evening. 夜晚8點. 夜晚8點. It's 10 o'clock at night. 夜晚10點. 夜晚10點. I like walking at night. 我鍾意夜晚散步. 我鍾意夜晚散步. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to take your Cantonese to the next level, check out my Cantonese courses and ebooks on talkacademy.com. See you in the next video.